Okay, FM 101.7.
Ora Dankanamwa, Executive Director, Secretary, Edima OPEC, Ghana. Obani ni mwache.
Kwame Tikasie Nyansani. Kwame Nkrumah Tikasie Nyansani. Pacheme.
Wabo me mrani ama na ye me de.
No.
Yo.
Na me show UTV.
Ai.
Na many aji say na me say sa pepe.
Me da se.
Ye be sorry anopa na there was a Ghana 40 bia no. Uchi mu afidie tu okay a. Me say obeti ni nyina enya asedesem kakra nso aka wo.
Ye da se.
Bo ma so enso so ni awards na nsen ai. Monsa kan ye. Mo deserve na papa.
Ami. Yes, ye da se pa. PDS nsemi eyewanimsem akọ aba various commentaries no ni ade abaye siginaye etu enkwatwe de atwere wa terminate contract no or in the process of terminating the contract. Now what terminates one time terminating ye Dankanamwa yate se all the abebom adan a restrictive tendering saa de ne nya de a mobɛpene ama na koso efiri hi ani ginaye amu asie
Because my memoir by Abaso, what terminate PDS. Sanko Moy were PDA where did be pa. Now, MSA, a chassis very loudly and forcefully. Wamra, MSA, Energy Ministry. Edibetu, just a PDS, MSA arrangement, no. Fraud be Abba baby, and Ameboa. Yenya Ora Kojo upon Chroma, Penny so by car, say, say fraud be the Abaya who is a fraud be a copy baby. Ye fray a movie so near the Incomo, our Kukuamu. Emma, the never hobiano, Abayan baby, et day. And see, Yenya information kakra. Abayano Eshe, Bosome Bako, sending you mu obey na the Dahobiano, the Atuja. Emomo edi busu mimienu ho de ye bo eblemi aban kakra ye na so investigation no ya untimi en for nipa ne ze 2 days ye ni say ya na pele nyina abatudwa enu nti na make say termination no ye bo na baso because de na ye nsaka kakra na ya te no na enyama ni bia koso with the PDS concession agreement MS entran kan yo enti aban na ya de. But as to whether say Tikasie yempre ye ho enfa yen sanko say another agreement emu within the next 2 months Tikasie ye to ye book akra ebeboa o man ni nyina na make up say yen to ye bo no na me ka ko sisen Tikasie wo MCC Millennium Compact Challenge America for yi say mo ECG and our power sector no problems kakra ye ho no ebi equipment and technology and operational enti ye be invest kakra se be ya ECG begina na ekana eburugu energy sector no eto obetwa so that aban koye na ko homatika enya afi ne ye kope bond o kaya na say issue energy bond bebre eka ya eburugu power sector no yempe kwan bi ni ensia no and so Millennium Compact the 500 million at ho say ono 49% into local partners was almost beboa no ebe 51% no tigazie actually be was kemu said the offer 49 no ekra 528 million na wa ukra 51 no also we investing more than 500 million no ana meboa. And those partners, no, it is not say ABA because here haircut yemefe and I'm a boy. And yes, Dankanamwa ABA and shoe your share and TM Fanon Kahon near the Naka home. And yes, ABA OKFM staff or no almost enemy FFI and so Munyanka local partners. No, I was here 3 years ago. Enya the right people with the capacity. Sabe almost saying what the strategy to move ECG from the baby was to see to even a different level altogether. The Yankunya is a Nekoban is there because you pay Yensaka $500 million. America for this ETG mo. Inti yempre ho, yempre ho, yempre ho. Ebia na PDS di cry ye no. Ebisha. The next agreement I ever no because of Ebia timelines be a person meeting with the Americans. Yeti anye na yako getting all wrong altogether, even with the wrong partners who may not have sikana yesheshe to invest in ECG no. And until na ye caution that yen to ye bo say who be here po certificate Aban will forego the 500 million free America for her ECG mono, so that we find a way to one invest in ECG locally. Osha Yakrat anymore, I trust that me LSC ECG on the stock market, ye clean your boots kakra. LSC nothing is 100 be another Akoshimu. When the Benya 20 be another Akoshimu. Sir, $500 million, I would buy a Nessike Mwat. We can even use those monies locally into ECG.
Mami Musawadio. And yet too early because say only nipa bi di nkoma wa mo say we don't know where them post say the MCC America for no betimi sanction yense. We did not do due diligence in awarding contract to the Sanko for no. Afei too. Among was ye hu the details of it. Momo de na mon friend na mon fa ne ma me ebiu me pam chow. Kidney syrup eduru a nkwala eduru. Vitamins ni minerals ahyemu ma. Akwala want me die man kidney syrup na etimi M1 pa. And I know sure they so sweet enti wo de ma akwala enye den. Nkwala akosho kwa aye wo mu no ma wo mu bi. 6 months to 12 months ma wo mu kidney syrup tiedi ni ye. Kidney syrup na akwala nnu bi na M1 nkwala wo Ghana ha na aburuchi ba bia wo to bi ma na bebo. Afei ye wo Brinex syrup. And with the way you for Guardian, we are concerned about Tonkwala performance at school. Now, say, Kobe, yes, or take actually, will be your defense now with the 6. But I didn't know any airtiba from one man, Brinex syrup, Brinex syrup, Brinex syrup. And calling in Abbott to me and Numbi, I'm no at me, Abuam, I'm an agony, I find. Pa, El Koran be sharp, obey alert, obey smart, obey brilliant. Brinex syrup, no, yet the man Kwala woman 1 to 15 years. For brain power. It's a woman a kidney syrup. I'm a vitamins and minerals. I get more juma appetite. No, now mano Brinex syrup for brain power. Me pa your baseline pharmacy and Blopeman Pharmacy, Lancer Chemist, and all leading pharmaceutical shops. Akofe biaba. Open and do Ducard Pharmacy or Kanshi Drug Lane and answer Kaswa and Abenya Senway P at all. Woman number near Frewamo 0240 03 63 24 0240 03 63 24 and 0552 17 32 that 0552 17 37 87 0552 17 37 87 okay 101.7 so in the na yera danga me samu akwa baby o
Because here, Fatcheme, I'm ethical.
Medase, Miss Medase. I feel young to us. Now, question maybe son say, Ebino say, I say, yeah, pray because the abbey, I'm sure America for me a sanction ye. Say, yeah, due diligence. The atosu me, no, ye woo, see car, say, I got the PDS for some. Say, yeah, dear, see, yeah, day. The atosu me and some artist grass say, and the pay ye didn't come any judge in a pudding come on. Also, what is PDS for? They've been given a raw deal into one betting the court. So, what did you win? A then a yen.
Because here, one PDS termination, there, or Mampeninia confirm me, or any tweet I'm a payer. The handle are confirm me. The PDS, the Beco court, no, and no, or more massive. Again, sir, or minor ever prosecuting. Officials are a DPDS and him ever misrepresented fact. Onipa bi a friend Al Nuri offer insurance guarantee a cover free our coat de buy our coat watch as it's a independent need jinabe say obe sign that insurance guarantee now so on the guarantee any additional so the ECG ma PDS I'm sure say or minor our case even against PDS as an entity aside whatever case or minor also against persons that are fronted here for PDS. And so that legal debate in the Attorney General won him there on what to do. We have said that officials now at Ghana side, those who went to negotiate are now conditions precedent, black and white. Say, mo making sure say, oh, ticket here by Oshishu, ne shirt no wakeka mu na edu ba bia ticket here to the shirt egusro. Or the challenge in the buy, and so the ensure conditions subsequent instead of precedent as an the ECG amano no. Say omo yes due diligence no meka mebo particularly MIDA Millennium Development Agency Ghana ya appointees dodo na neguso no. Say you beko into another agreement me say MIDA no yen shake ne kakra. So that say the new hands beka ho say omo no ye best system then you know that the new local partners are here no no with an open mind enquire another PDS also in the making okay say early say you be demand say abino should also try and see if it can also even invest in ECG operations because me no nya energy for no Ebeka dodo na tell say a more of input output, a more of investment and returns. Say ye jai ECG na onye na juma as an entity or ye viable. It means say one politicians ebe jai ECG say procurement ade anke betimi ato no $1 na ye ECG contract ni ato no $10 $100. So omu jai sa ade na ECG can be able to sustain the operation. Say ye giant so say and nipa 20 honorable MP business and crop for yen fa omo ejuma nipa 4 betimi ayi nipa 20 and 30 anything home which create inefficiencies in the system and no again if ye invest also in the right technology so that the obi tapping line immediately nipa never tapping line no we can be able to determine even from ECG offices and by extension curtail whatever losses that they are already generating per their transmission losses. No? If we are not able to do these necessary investments, we will go for the MCC investment. No? As the local partners participation, almost $500 million investment. No, after 2 years, we'll be back to the same square because Sebo na wodi aduane ni gumu no. Asi enyunu a it doesn't matter how much you are investing in there. Ebenyu nako. It's na yesterday. Say yen restructure ECG. The government and people of Ghana can invest. Say Millennium Compact no NMI pressure. Say oh by December 31st, man nyama ye be withdraw ye sika. Enti enunti ye for ye something in the hurry. Ye mbe be say yen kan say Millennium Compact for the mun keep musika for the meantime. Monfa. Na yen fie yen hwe ekwan a ye de ECG be paso to make it viable and profitable. Say ye nyama yie na you are still interested as an American government. Say obeboa will be open for that discussion. But my pre anybody mu ye say PDS atonsumu na America for the pressure bi omode ma ye nti. Yes you here $500 million investment in ye pre ho because ye here sika no ye pre ho akope local partners ni akofa dankana mo a say be $20 krabia mini e o my account mo no my bet na o say me na me be manage ECG which is $4 billion. You know ye to ye boka kra I'm sure say ebeboa ye nyina any of mine.
Yo medas ya no pay
because here my mentia o na what you marry won so
Miss Medas pa I like that. Medas bye. Over dankana mo executive secretary any ma corporate ni na twetwe kono okay 101.7 suni
Okay FM 101.7